Uh-oh, friends. I have shocking news to share with all of you this Sunday. President Biden is warning against disastrous consequences as Congress quickly moves towards a government funding deadline. And lawmakers, including Republicans and Democrats, are debating on new provisions that would impact millions of senior citizens and retirees. My friends, this is your daily news report, so please make sure that you watch until the end of this video. Also know that I'll be giving away a $50 Walmart gift card every day this month of December. If you would like to enter these daily giveaways, please make sure that you click and like several of my videos, and then comment below the keyword of each video that you watch. My friends, the more videos that you comment on, the greater your chances of winning these daily giveaways.
To the actions of a party or a presidential administration, legislation sometimes grabs the lion's share of the attention. But it's equally important to pay attention to what a presidential administration does with its regulatory power. And the Biden administration has been characterized by a lot of deeply troubling regulations. The so-called Inflation Reduction Act may be Democrats' most prominent Green New Deal effort. But the Biden administration's radical environmental agenda doesn't stop there. The president's also been using regulations to push through Democrats' Green New Deal fantasies. And these ill-considered, overreaching regulations could have serious consequences. Later today, I will be sending a letter to the president about the attempts to use financial and securities regulators like the Securities and Exchange Commission and the Federal Reserve to push through environmental, social, and governance, or what are referred to as ESG regulations, that seek to choke off investment to essential industries like oil and natural gas and American farms and ranches. Notable among these is the Securities and Exchange Commission's proposed climate disclosure rule, which would require publicly traded companies to disclose information not only about their own emissions, but also about the greenhouse gas emissions of their suppliers and even their customers. Now, it would also require companies to determine the effects of climate-related risks on each line item of their consolidated.
With the midterm elections in the rearview mirror, President Biden and top White House officials now face a government funding deadline, and the clock is ticking. With a government funding expiration deadline now just over a week away, on December 16th, the White House is ramping up pressure on Congress to move quickly to pass a sweeping spending package that will provide everything from funding to deal with the crisis to additional money in disaster relief funds. Separately, a defense bill is also making its way through Capitol Hill. On both fronts, there's no guarantee that things will get resolved with ease or with speed. For weeks now, President Biden's top deputies, led by Office of Management and Budget Director Shalanda Young, have navigated the dynamics of election season, Democrats' policy priorities, and the reality that this is likely the last window for a major full-year spending agreement in Biden's first term. White House officials are emphasizing that as complicated as the process of reaching an agreement on a large appropriation bill is, lawmakers must continue to pursue that path. While there appears to be growing talk of the need to pass a short-term stopgap measure, also known as continuing resolution, lawmakers inch closer to the December 16th deadline. But according to one White House official, they are pouring cold water on the prospects of a one-year extension, saying it would have disastrous consequences. The Biden administration has warned that choosing to pursue a continuing resolution over a government spending bill would have harmful impacts on a number of key services. The White House official also discussed with possible government shutdown. He stated, "We're not worried about a shutdown right now," repeating that there is plenty of time for Congress to pass a government spending bill. Biden kicked off this week by meeting with senators of Vermont and Richard Shelby of Alabama, the top two senators on the Senate Appropriations Committee. Some Republicans, meanwhile, are openly calling for a continuing resolution into next year, seeking to punt the action until their party controls the House. But some are aiming for an earlier cutoff date to apply pressure as leaders race to put a bow on fiscal 2023 funding before Christmas. So, dear friends, what are your thoughts on this? Do you think that our government will come to an agreement before a government shutdown will happen? Please let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Friends, the keyword for this video is snowstorm. If you would like to enter today's Walmart gift card giveaway, please click and like several of my videos and then comment below this keyword, which is snowstorm, and additional keywords of any video of mine that you watch. And do make sure, friends, that you're also subscribed to my channel. Congress is debating new retirement rules. New retirement rules could make it easier for Americans to accumulate retirement savings and less costly to withdraw them. And that's if lawmakers pass a retirement reform package before the end of this month. The House of Representatives already passed its own version of retirement plan rule changes, and two key Senate committees passed their own versions as well. Since the summer of this year, lawmakers have been trying to stitch the three bills together into one large package known as Secure 2.0. After it's finalized, one idea is to attach the package to an overall government spending bill that may be voted on by both chambers in Congress before the holidays. But if lawmakers cannot agree on such omnibus spending bill, Secure 2.0 likely would have to be reintroduced next year for the new Congress's consideration. Democratic Senator Ben Cardin, who co-sponsored the bill passed by the Senate Finance Committee, has recently said in a statement, "The House of Representatives and Senate have been working to come to an agreement. The final bill is almost there, but the question is, what vehicle will it get across the finish line?" While the details are still under wraps and no legislative language has yet been released, here's a look at some of the savings provisions very likely to make it into any final retirement package. First would be to require auto-enrollment in 401k plans. Employers starting new workplace retirement savings plans could be required to automatically enroll employees in the plan. It would then be up to the employee to actively opt out if they don't wish to participate. Lawmakers may also want to enhance and simplify the Savers Credit, which is a federal match that exists for low-income earners' retirement contributions, up to $2,000 a year. The new retirement package might enhance and simplify the Savers Credit so that more people could use it. Low-income filers may get a refundable tax credit that is worth 50% of their savings, up to a contribution limit in a given year. Tax credits reduce your tax liability dollar for dollar, but refundable tax credits mean that the filer will get the money, even if they had no income tax liability to reduce. Well, my amazing and dearest beautiful friends, that is the end of my daily stimulus update video for this Sunday morning. Thank you so much, friends, for joining me here and watching this new video I had just posted. Friends, I want you to know that I sincerely appreciate every single one of you. The winner of yesterday's Walmart gift card giveaway is Lloyd Powell. Congratulations, my dear friend. To claim your gift card, please check your notifications page and send me a message. Or you can message me on my Facebook page. My friends, I'll be announcing a new winner in a video later today. So please make sure that you enter the giveaways by clicking and liking several of my videos. And please comment below the keyword of each video that you watch. Thank you and have a wonderful and blessed weekend.